Here's help for number 2 on the Chapter 5 review sheet. Find all solutions of cotangent of x over 2 minus 1 equals 0. So we're going to solve. So what I want to do is isolate my cotangent of x over 2 by adding 1 to both sides. So we get cotangent of x over 2 equals 1. Now we could change it to tangent. So we could say tangent, and remember the angle does not change. The angle stays the same, so it's x over 2. We're just taking the reciprocal of 1, and so that's 1 over 1. Therefore, the reciprocal of cotangent is just 1. Then remember that the period of cotangent and tangent is only pi, so 0 to pi. It's not 2 pi. So we only have one answer where this is true, where tangent of x over 2 is 1, and that is here at our pi over 4. So since this is an adjustment to the period, right, it's a horizontal stretch, we can just write x over 2, so tangent of x over 2 equals 1, when x over 2 equals pi over 4. And then this repeats every period, so then I would add n pi. Then now I adjust my period. I adjust my period by multiplying to 2 to each side, to every term. So we get x equals 2 pi over 4 plus 2n pi, and then simplify, x equals pi over 2 plus 2n pi. So this is true whether you use tangent or just keep it as cotangent, you would get the same exact answers. I hope this helps.